A very good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Professor Deepika J.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಕುಮಾರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಲೆಗಳ ಹಬ್ಬ ಕಲಾಸರ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
We request our dignitaries to kindly occupy the dais.
ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯಾತಿ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸೋಣ.
With the blessings of God, we'll start the program with the invocation song. May I request Professor Nandini for the invocation song.
ನಮಮ್ಮ ಶಾರದೆ ಉಮಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿಹನ್ಯಾರಮ್ಮ. ನಮಮ್ಮ ಶಾರದೆ ಉಮಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿಹನ್ಯಾರಮ್ಮ. ಕಮ್ಮಗೋಲೆನವೈ ಸುತನಾದ ಸೊಂಡಿಲ ಹೆಮ್ಮಯ ಗಣನಾಥನೇ ಅಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ. ನಮಮ್ಮ ಶಾರದೆ ಉಮಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿಹನ್ಯಾರಮ್ಮ. ಮೊರೆ ಕಪ್ಪಿನ ಭಾವ ಮೊರೆದಗಲದ ಕಿವಿ ಕೋರಿದ ನಿವನ್ಯಾರಮ್ಮ. ಮೊರೆ ಕಪ್ಪಿನ ಭಾವ ಮೊರೆದಗಲದ ಕಿವಿ ಕೋರಿದ ನಿವನ್ಯಾರಮ್ಮ. ಮೂರು ಕಣ್ಣನ ಸುತ ಮುರಿದಿಟ್ಟ ಚಂದ್ರನ ಧೀರ ಗಣನಾಥನೇ ಅಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ. ನಮಮ್ಮ ಶಾರದೆ ಉಮಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿಹನ್ಯಾರಮ್ಮ. ಹುಟ್ಟದಟಿಯು ಬಿಗಿದೊಟ್ಟ ಚಲಣದ ದಿಟ್ಟದ ನಿವನಾರಮ್ಮ. ಪಟದ ರಾಣಿ ಪಾರ್ವತಿಯ ಕುಮಾರನೇ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಗಣನಾಥನೇ ಅಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ. ನಮಮ್ಮ ಶಾರದೆ ಉಮಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿಹನ್ಯಾರಮ್ಮ. ರಾಶಿ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಭಲ್ಲ ರಮಣಿ ಹಂಬಲನುಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷಿತ ನಿವನಾರಮ್ಮ. ಲೇಸಾಗಿ ಜನರ ಸಲಹುವ ಕಾಗಿಣೆಲೆಯಾದಿ ಕೇಶವದಾಸ ಕಣೆ ಅಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ. ನಮಮ್ಮ ಶಾರದೆ ಉಮಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿಹನಾರಮ್ಮ. 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 ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ತುಂಬಾ ಭಾವಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ದೇವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of Rajrajeshwari College of Engineering, I welcome our chairman, Dr. A. Shi Shanmugam sir, our vice president, ACS Arun Kumar sir, executive director, Dr. S. Vijayanand sir, special officer, Dr. S. Jaybalan sir, and our chief guest, Sri Srujan Lokesh, actor sir, to grace this occasion virtually. I request our principal sir for the warm welcome, Dr. Balakrishna Sir, Dean Academics, Dr. Usha Shaktivelan, Dean R&D, all our various HODs of various departments, faculty members, non-teaching staff, and our students and spectators of Kala Soraba event. So we welcome you for this wonderful event.
ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿದೀಪ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಂತಹ ಕಲಾ ಸೌರಭ ಕಲೆಗಳ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಗಣ್ಯಾತಿ ಗಣ್ಯರನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
I request our dignitaries to light the lamp. Thank you, dignitaries. I would call upon Professor Tanuj Kumar Sir to speak about our Kala Soraba Cultural Fest.
A very warm morning to everyone present here, respected dignitaries of the dais and of the dais. I'm going to give a brief introduction about Kala Soraba. Kala Soraba is an emerging, awaited college cultural fest for students and staff. The events are delicately organized. This is the soul of our college, a soul that is vibrant, contagious and enthusiastic. Organizing such prestigious fest helps the students to showcase their hidden talents and develop managerial skills, organizing events with their dedicated efforts. Coordinators from all departments have eventually taken part and have given their best in creating banners, rules and regulations, formation of Google Forms and WhatsApp groups and other activities. The fest is organized for 3 days, starting from today till 10th July 2021, having more than 25 plus online and offline events. That is live events and ongoing events, The events are online and telecasted on Microsoft Teams, and also it's live on YouTube. During this pandemic situation, our management is magnanimous in rendering their support and giving us green signal to conduct this fest online. I thank Principal Sir for giving his support for this event to happen. I being the cultural head of Kala Soraba, wholeheartedly thank each one of our staff members, students, Dean Sir, Ma'am, Principal Sir, management, and all others who have made this function a grand success. It's a dream come true for our students as well as for the team. Thanks you once again.
Thank you, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಸೃಜನ್ ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು. ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಅವರ ಆಗಮನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Good morning and a very warm welcome to everyone present here. It's my privilege to introduce our today's cultural fest Kalsorba's chief guest. He is none other than Sujan Lokesh sir. He is a son of a very famous film actor Lokesh and Girija Lokesh. Sujan Lokesh is an Indian film actor, television presenter, producer, comedian, radio host. Is multi-talented actually. Who works in the Kannada film industry from past 30 years, more than 30 years. So, as a child artist, he started his career with the movie Veerappan in the year 1991 and Bhujangayana Dashavatara, one more movie as a child artist. And as a lead role, he started his career in the year 2002 with the film name Neela Megha Shama. And after that, in the year 2013, Ane Pataki. Then in the year 2019, Gelide Ilitanka. So later, Sujan Lokesh started playing the supporting roles and the guest appearance in the several movies such as Porky, Chakravarti, Navagraha, Jagu Dada, Chingari, Edegarike, Andar Bahar, Snehitaru. Then there are many more movies. Meanwhile, the Sujan Lokesh sir started hosting the television reality shows such as Sai. It's a dance reality show, and several other shows also he has hosted. Then come to the awards. He got the best anchor Suvarna Channel Award in 2011 and the best anchor award. That is a big entertainment award in 2011, one more award in 2011, and one more award, that is a Madhyama award, that is also for best anchor in 2012 as well as in 2013. So, in the television programs, he has hosted many events. I'll brief you few. That is in the year 2011, the television program named that is Maja with Suja. It was very famous. Okay, and Mummy number 1. Then during 2013, Cascade Toss, Chota Champion 2, and then in the year 2015, again he started with a different name, the same Maja with Suja, as a Maja Takis. Okay, till now it's running. Okay, very famous television program it is. So now, I would like to tell few words in the Kannada. ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಜೋಡೆತ್ತುಗಳು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಬಂದು ದರ್ಶನ್ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಂದು ಸುಜಾ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಗಜ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಸುಜಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಜೋಡೆತ್ತು. Thank you once again.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್.
Thank you, sir. I request our principal sir to address the gathering.
Good afternoon to one and all. Hope I'm not getting a sound here. Hope all of you are hearing. Okay. So, at the outset, I thank all the my dear colleagues and students who have taken an initiative to not to leave any stone untoward even during this crisis period. So, with this initiation, I have requested the management to see that whatever the activities we wanted to give it to all our students should not be affected in spite of any difficulties. So magnanimously, the management has given a very encouraging support in conducting this event with the support of all of you and the active participation from all my dear students. So I could hear from the coordinators that there is an overwhelming response even during this online event from every student. So now the challenge before our coordinators, staff coordinators, is to see that how we can conduct all these activities with fairness and with satisfaction at the end of the program. So I request the coordinators and the cultural team, the entire team, and the HODs and the staff members to actively involve in encouraging all our students to bring out their hidden talents, to showcase themselves, what potential they have. And we are witnessing on several occasions that today superstars or whatever whom we are calling, they are all coming out with their strengths on some occasions like this in the institutions or the schools where they have studied. So I hope this platform will make such kind of a talents to come out to the society so that they will flourish in their future life as well as in their career. So I don't want to take much of your time because they have planned around 25 events. Even they had much more events to do it. I said, okay, 3 days we will do this because this is the first time that we are getting into an online mode. So it is inevitable that we need to change our approach, we need to change ourselves according to the circumstances, according to the situation. So it is good that with the support of all of you, we could able to do this event online. And I was getting a request from our group of institutions that they wanted to follow RRCE in conducting such events through online for their students. So it is a good initiative that all of you have taken. So I request that for the holistic development of all our students, not only in academics, even let it be in cultural or sports, we need to encourage, motivate them and support them in all our aspects so that they will become a full-fledged professional and also get a satisfied life in their span of stay with us. So with this note, I request all the students to please maintain your energy levels and also your talents to come out properly to the notice of everyone who will be attending this program through online so that you will be identified as a special talented person. At the same time, I request the staff coordinators and the HODs and the staff members to please encourage, see that the fullest participation should happen from all our students. So with this, I thank you, Anandal, and all my dear students to have a very, very enjoyable moment for these 3 days. And I am sorry to say that we tried a lot with our today's chief guest. He is not delayed, but he is about to come. So probably he will be joining us shortly. In fact, we are also trying with our Deputy Chief Minister. So he is also trying to take part in our event to motivate all our students and the staff members. With this small note, I wish each and everyone a very, very enjoyable moment for these days. Thank you.
ಜೀವನದ ಮಹತ್ವ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿದ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಿದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivating speech. Now I request Dean Academics Dr. Balakrishna sir to address the gathering about Kala Sorabha.
Very good morning to one and all. Today's Kala Sorabha event and those who are participated into the online. And this is a major task for those who are the event coordinators. I request you all the coordinators to see that those who are participating in this, as the judges, even offline, we are facing a lot of issues in the judgment at the end of the session. I hope all the judges from now, still it is more difficult for the give the judgment for the all the events. All 23 events are organizing by the online. I congratulate all the coordinators to make a grand success this event online. So I request you all the teachers also to join. As of now, nearly 130 participants are there in the YouTube. As of now, hope it may be increase the strength over a period of time. I hope the today's guest might be logged in online. He is in the YouTube, not in the. If he is in the Microsoft Teams, he could have given us about brief introduction about our Kala Saurabha. Thank you for giving an opportunity to say a few words to this event. For all the coordinators, principal management and each and everyone to support directly or indirectly to support this event to make a grand success. Thank you one and all.
ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call Dr. Neha Singhal to propose the vote of thanks.
A warm and graceful morning to all of you. Today it's my great privilege to propose a vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contribution of those who really worked hard to make this cultural day to happen successfully. I, Dr. Neha Singhal, on behalf of Kala Saurabha team, I thank to the management of RRGI to support the Kala Saurabha event in all the aspects. I thank to today's chief guest, Srujan Lokesh, for accepting our invitation. I thank to our principal sir, Dr. T. Chandrasekhar, sir, for his continuous support and efforts. I thank to our dean, Dr. R. Balakrishna sir, for his kind support. I thank to the dean research, Dr. Usha ma'am, for her kind support and encouragement. I thank to all the department HODs and faculty members for their continuous efforts. Last but not the least, I thank our dear students and all the Kala Saurabha team members for their active participation. I thank one and all who has supported the event and made it a huge success. I thank once again for all the participants.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ತಿಳಿದಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಲಾ ಸೌರಭ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದಲೂ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 9:30 ಶುರುವಾಗಿ ಸಂಜೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ನಡೀತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಟೀಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಇವಾಗ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದರ ಎರಡು ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 24 ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. 24 events we are doing at the same time. We have 600 plus participants.
So we have two categories of events, live events and ongoing events. So live events, Navarasa, debate, damshads, vegetable carving, treasure hunt, singing, dancing, and we have online games such as Need for Speed, Pick and Speak. So these are all the live events that is going on, and ongoing events. So drawing, painting, essay writing, photography, quiz, funky dress, meme making, Call of Duty, mehendi, beatboxing, poetry, dress like a celebrity, Instagram reels. So all these events are taking place online through Microsoft Teams. So we encourage our students to participate. So already we have 700 plus. Currently the live participation number 700 plus. So next event is Navarasa that is going to start now. So we are launching each and every team. So we have a link, so all of us can join through the Microsoft Teams links what we have shared online. Thank you everyone. So we'll just event the spectacular event now. Thank you.